Good morning, dear student. Today we are starting the new lesson that is called gravitation. So, gravitation starts from the gravitation and gravity. They are the two terms. So, gravitation is a term which is being used between any two objects. Whatever force of attraction works, so that is called gravitation. And what is gravity? Gravity is the specific term being used when out of two bodies, one body is Earth. So it means gravitation is for any two body of the universe force of attraction, and gravity is between Earth and any other object. That is called gravity. This is the s- small difference between gravity and gravitation. Next, that is acceleration due to gravity and weight of the body. What is acceleration due to gravity? What is acceleration? Acceleration means the acceleration produced in free falling body under the gravitational pull of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity. It means whenever a body is falling freely, so whatever gravitational pull is applied, and due to this, whatever acceleration is being produced in that object, this is called acceleration due to gravity. And what is weight of the body? Weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. Weight of any object is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. So it means, see, acceleration due to gravity is very important term. As the gravity changes, or acceleration due to gravity g changes, weight of the object is also changing. Then what is important here? Newton's universal law of gravitation. This is the first topic you are studying. Gravitation, we are talking. Gravitation means universally which is accepted. It means any two objects which are present in universe, so whatever force of attraction is working between them, so this is being followed by Newton's universal law of gravitation. So what does it exactly says? It says any two object, suppose this is earth and this is moon. So earth is attracting moon towards itself. So which, by which force? This is called gravitational force, not gravity. This is called gravitational force because moon itself remain here. So whatever acceleration is working towards this position, so this is called centripetal acceleration, because moon is rotating in a circular path. So for circular path, what is required? Centripetal acceleration is required. So how much centripetal acceleration is